Homemade recipes, a journey into comfort cooking. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as cozy as a warm kitchen on a winter day. Homemade recipe. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, understanding this term can add a touch of heartwarming authenticity to your culinary adventures. Homemade is a term that evokes feelings of warmth, care, and personal touch. In the context of cooking, it refers to food prepared at home, using individual ingredients rather than pre-packaged or processed foods. A homemade dish is often seen as more wholesome and nutritious, made with love and attention that you can't find in store-bought items. A recipe is more than just a list of ingredients and instructions. It's a roadmap to creating a dish, encompassing the quantities, steps, and techniques involved in cooking. Recipes can be passed down through generations, shared among friends, or created through personal experimentation. They are guides but also leave room for personal touches and adaptations. Combining homemade and recipe brings a unique charm. A homemade recipe is not just about the act of cooking, but it's about creating something personal, heartfelt, and authentic. These recipes often have stories behind them, evoking memories and emotions. They represent comfort, tradition, and the joy of sharing with others. Across cultures, homemade recipes play a significant role. They are a way to preserve cultural heritage and connect generations. Each region, family, or individual might have their own special homemade recipes, which can be a source of pride and communal identity. For English language learners, exploring homemade recipes is a delightful way to enhance vocabulary and cultural understanding. Cooking terms, ingredient names, and expressions like from scratch or stir well are practical language lessons. Plus, sharing recipes can be a way to engage in language practice with native speakers. I hope this journey into the heartwarming world of homemade recipes has been as delightful for you as it was for me. Remember, each homemade recipe is more than food. It's a story, a tradition, and a token of love. Keep cooking, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy every bite of your homemade creations. Happy cooking and happy learning!